Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the smoothest ever truffles by Courier. I've started off by getting 2 cups of Fisher's chopped pecans onto a baking sheet, and I'm going to pop them in my oven that's preheated for 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so I've just taken my 2 cups of nuts out of the oven. We roast them to release the flavor, and right now you can really smell it. It has like a very sweet and nutty texture to it, or smell to it. So now I'm going to add, while they're still hot, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to drizzle that all over, mix up the nuts, and then wait till they're cool, and then put them in my food processor. Alright, so I have my nuts chopped finely over here, and I put them aside back on the baking pan. Now I have over here my chocolate that I'm also going to put into a food processor. I chose to use 7 ounces of milk chocolate Hershey's, and then I'm going to use 10 ounces of Lindt extra dark chocolate. So I'm going to put that in the food processor, grind that all up, and I'll let you see what it looks like. So Courier only calls in this recipe for egg yolks and not the whole egg. So right now I'm just, oops, that one's kind of shallow, but splitting the egg like that so that the white comes out, and then I just have the yolk. And then I'm going to add this to the 8-inch skillet with some cream and cook that over low heat until it gets thick. Okay, so I've added 1/4 cup of heavy cream and the 5 egg yolks into an 8-inch pan. I'm not using a skillet, but I will be when I transfer some of it over. And then I'm just going to be stirring it around, and then waiting for it to thicken. Come closer. Stop it. Okay, so the egg has started to thick, the egg and milk texture. This is going to be used for an emulsifier in our recipe, and we heated it enough to kill the salmonella. Now I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and then I'm continuing mixing this in for 1 minute. Okay, so I melted my butter. Now I'm going to add all my chocolate into there. As you can see, it's finely chopped. This is going to help it melt. It'll and become a lot smoother texture, and it'll be more even. I'm not gonna add the liqueur yet because I am only gonna add it to half the recipe. So I'm gonna wait till all the chocolate melts, then split it, then add the liqueur. Okay, so now I'm going to add 1/8 of a cup of amaretto into 1/2 of my chocolate mixture. So then alcohol is supposed to be a flavor carrier, so ideally you would think that this one that has the alcohol in it would be more potent. So we'll have to see if that's true. My chocolate was in there for 20 minutes, or in the fridge for 20 minutes, and so now the chocolate's kind of at a hard texture, so I'm rolling them up into these little balls, rolling them into my roasted